So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trim video clips in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie, and through here you can see start a new project, so you can add a project you want to trim. You can also go to my movie on here and you can see here the edit option. So let's click on that. Through here it's going to load. I'm going to put a white line somewhere at the middle and I'm just going to hold the project right here, and you can see here it opened up a couple of different things which will be important later. So if you add, and if I wish to trim the video, I just hold on to one of the sides and you can see here I'm reducing the entire length of the video. If I do it from the other side, it's going to have the pretty much same effect, but it's going to start from a later stage of the video. And that's how you can trim videos. So maybe you also filmed something that's not that important and you want it to be more concise, so you can just trim it from the sides. And this will be all under the split options on the video once you click on it. So just click on it and it's going to be selected with these yellow borders, and just trim the video by doing this or from the other side as well. So that's about how you can trim videos in iMovie. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.